Example 1. 204 people were asked, what is your favorite candy bar? Below are the results. Part A, what percent of people surveyed are boys and like Twix? So we're looking for, the keyword here is that we're looking for people who are boys and they like Twix. So this word tells us it's going to be a joint frequency problem because we are focusing on two things. These people have to be boys and they have to like Twix. So let's find the row that says boys. And we're going to find the column that says Twix. We're going to find out where they join. So 24 is the number where they join. Although I can't just answer the question by saying, okay, 24 people. Because that's not what the question is asking. It's asking for a percent. Okay, so that tells me I have to find a frequency. So that means I have to divide this 24 by something. What do we divide the 24 by? Well, we're going to compare that to the total number of people because that's what's asking. Among all these 204 people, how many of them are boys and they like Twix? So 24 divided by 204, that's going to be our number. So let's do that in the calculator. Put 24 divided by 204. So you're going to get a decimal that's 0.117647. But we're not going to need so long of a number. We're going to first convert that to just 2 decimal places. So let's see that because the third decimal place is 7, it's more than 5. So we're going to round up the number before it, and it's going to round it up to 2. Okay, so we're going to round up this decimal to just 0.12. Okay, so now how do we change a decimal to a percent? So you can put 0.12 in your calculator, 0.12 times 100. So that's going to give you 12, right? So 12%, that's the answer. Okay, that's how you would convert decimal to a percent. Okay, so now let's look at part B. What percent, so again, we're looking for a percent here, not just the number of people. What percent of people like Snickers and are girls? So this again is a joint frequency. So we're going to go back to the table and we're going to look for people who like Snickers and are girls. So Snickers is right here. If you have a different color pen, you can do that too. It's easier to see that way. So Snickers and girls. So we're going to look at these two. Okay, so this column and the row, they join at 30. So that's the number, 30. And again, we're going to divide that by the total number of people, still 204. Put that in the calculator. So 30 divided by 204. And the decimals 0.147059. We don't need it to be that long. We just need 2 places. So let's round this guy up because 7 you're supposed to round up. So we're going to change the decimal to 0.15 and times 0.15 by 100. So that's 15. So 15%, that's the answer.